Inland Engineering is a turnkey company that provides engineering and construction services to the telecommunication industry, mainly cable TV.
Here at Inland Engineering, we do a lot of printing and scanning, copying daily. With the HP T2500, it's such a compact size. We can fit it into any of the offices, into a corner in the room. It prints very quietly, and the size is perfect for us.
The print quality is actually amazing. We're able to differentiate all the intricate details of each permit.
It prints super crisp. It's almost unbelievable how fast it is, and you get this pristine, clean lines. It looks just like it does in our CAD PDFs or CAD drawings. Scanning is important because before we start a project, we do research, and with research comes getting a lot of 24x36 or larger reference maps, and we have to scan them. Before, we had to scan them on our tiny copier, and it would take us like 30 pages, and that would take a very long time. With the T2500, one scan and it gets the entire sheet. It comes out clean and crisp, and we save it into our network, and anybody can access it. They can print out a copy, make lines, any kinds of lines, and then they can scan it back to us, and they can just save it on the ePrint and share, and I can access them through here and look at any kind of changes that our side needs to make. With the scanner, we don't have to stand there for an hour and scan our prints now. It's just like a minute and it's in there. We do use a lot of just the plain bond 24x36 paper, but we are starting to use more of the photo paper if we want something a little more glossier. There's 2 rolls on the 2500. You can just choose to print from roll 1, roll 2 if they're different sizes. I really appreciate the front loading in the T2500 because I can just stand right in front of the printer itself, load it right there. Sometimes we'll go to a city or to see a client, and we'll load whatever media they're giving us onto the USB, we'll bring it back, and we can just go into the printer, attach the USB, and it'll print it directly from the USB. If I'm scanning and someone else is printing, they can just come and quickly just grab their back stack and take it as I'm still doing my scanning in the front.
Communication is the most important part of our job. Currently, getting information out to fielders for revisions is a difficult task. The drive times between where we're located in Corona to a job, for example, in Torrance, could be well 2 hours with traffic. ePrint and share makes a huge difference in our productivity. Being able to send them a link is invaluable to saving time. I can send out one link to all the different parties, and I'm assured that we're all looking at the same document.
It really does feel like they don't even need to come into the office anymore. It's so easy and at their fingertips. The biggest benefit of having a device such as the T2500 that can scan, copy, print, and save onto a network is our time management. We are on such a tight project deadline schedule that this is really going to help us just keep everything organized, keep everything easy to access. It's definitely going to help us get our work done much quicker and in a timely manner.